All right, guys, listen. Blah, 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 blah. I gotta spit it out, man. Spit it out. I just got done flying this Quadrone Maximus. Okay. And it actually did go almost. I'm pretty sure, I'll have to check the time, but on my phone that I use for a microphone, it had over 20 minutes on there. Okay, it showed over 20 minutes. So it did good. 20 minutes. I'll tell you my hair, I had the damn hat cam on, but I'm pretty sure it was pretty damn close to 20 minutes. If not, maybe 20 minutes and 5 seconds or something like that. So it was pretty close to being right on the money of 20 minutes. But it doesn't seem like the motors are very powerful. Okay, it seems like the motors, it doesn't have a lot of pep to it. The punch out speed was real slow. I mean real slow, even in the fourth rate, because it has 4 speeds on it. So even in the fourth rate, the punch out speed was pretty abysmal. It doesn't like any kind of wind whatsoever. And now I'm back here behind Home Depot over here. That's Home Depot over there. This is where I came and was looking for that train, but this is overgrown now. Before you could see through there. But it's very slow and it didn't like any wind. There's a little bit of wind picking up now because it's probably gonna storm again. But when I was flying it, there was no wind, and every once in a while this little breeze would come. I mean very little breeze, like 2 miles an hour, and it would start, wonking around and, drifting all over the place. So, yeah, it didn't like any kind of wind whatsoever, but it flew good. I mean, it's okay. Now, I did do the test. I didn't use the camera. I didn't put there was no legs on, you'll see in the video, but I didn't record any video. So I tried to give it every opportunity to make the 20 minutes of flight time by not having any extra weight on it, no camera, no landing gear or anything like that. And it made it. So that's how they got that 20 minutes. And I actually did do a couple of flips with it too. So I think I did 2 that you'll see in the video when I post the video for it. But I got to edit it up because I'm not going to post no 20-minute video of that thing. All right, guys, I figured I'd let you know about it. Yeah, it did do the 20 minutes like it said. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.